Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hunt County in north-central Texas, central Hopkins County in north-central Texas, Delta County in north-central Texas, southern Lamar County in north-central Texas, until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sulphur Bluff to near Ruxton to near Commerce, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Cooper, Big Creek Lake, Cooper Lake, Klondike, Sulphur Bluff, and Cooper Lake State Park around 9:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Sulphur Springs around 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Lake Sulphur Springs around 9:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Charleston, Martin Springs, Weaver, Tyra, Lake Creek, New Birthright, Inlow, Pachiel, Broadway Junction, and Minter. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 120 and 137. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.